driven by the audience. From the Friday where we opened to where we are now, nothing can make that happen other than the audience. So I think the audience has taken over the film. Thank you all for being here. Sorry for making you wait for an hour. I think the best compliment I've got is from the audience in Busan, who thought that the film was made for a girl in Korea, and they thought that the film can travel to any part of the world, and for any girl in the world this film works well. बिजनेस तो यार मुझे नहीं पता, पर ऐसा बोला जा रहा है कि कुछ 75-80 करोड़ हो गया है, पर आई एम नॉट द राइट गाय फॉर दैट. I think the film is totally driven by the audience. From the Friday where we opened to where we are now, nothing can make that happen other than the audience. So I think the audience has taken over the film. They love it, and they are ensuring that it goes to the next level. And today on Facebook, I was seeing someone having put up saying, "Let us work hard to make Queen a bigger film, because it's our responsibility as an audience to make it a big film." So nothing bigger and better than that. No marketing plan is better than that. I think it's more important to be special than number one, and I think Kangana is special today, and she has her own distinct position, and I think that's much more important than to be number one or number two, because it's not a cricket game, it's a movie business. So if you are recognized as being someone special and has a much longer run being here, that's the best thing. I'm glad if it's the first big hit of 2014, but I hope that there are many big hits that come for the rest of the year, and a lot of money comes into the movie industry, and we make many more movies for the audience. Sorry? I don't know. I mean, we didn't expect this, so we're now going with the flow, and whatever comes our way, we're happy about it. अभी हंसते खेलते हुए ये हो गया, अभी हंसते खेलते हुए अगला बन जाए, but that's the only award we're looking for. I'm so happy that they're seeing it so many times, but I wish there was a scheme where they could buy 5 tickets, and 5 tickets price is lesser than ticket of 1 ticket each time. But I'm so glad people are going again and again. It's the best. I mean, there's nothing better than an audience going to watch your film twice. And if it happens more than twice, it's so overwhelming. And I just hope that people each time they go to watch it, they enjoy it even more. And they don't find the faults that might exist in the film. वो हाँ. I think शाहिद तो इतने बढ़िया मज़ेदार इजी गोइंग इंसान है. आई थिंक उनसे ज़्यादा शॉर्ट टेम्पर तो मेरा होगा 100%. नहीं, हंसते खेलते हुए पिक्चर बनाएंगे और ऐश करेंगे. नहीं, आई विश आलिया डज द फिल्म, बट राइट नाउ इट्स नॉट फाइनलाइज्ड. अभी तो स्क्रिप्ट लिखी नहीं गई है, तो जब तक मैं स्क्रिप्ट लिख नहीं लूँ, आई कांट डिसाइड एज टू हू शुड बी द पर्सन. हाँ, अरे ज़रूर, मैं कंगना के पास होपफुली कुछ महीनों में वापस एक स्क्रिप्ट लेके पहुँचूँगा, उनके घर की घंटी बजाऊँगा, और होपफुली वो मेरे को एक और मौका देंगी उनको स्क्रिप्ट सुनाने का. आपको कितना कट मिला? हाँ, सारा मेरा है यार. और कौन ले रहा है 50 करोड़? I think Kangana's biggest achievement is that she is a surprise, and not just for the audience, she's a surprise for the director also. So I just hope she always keeps doing things which no one can imagine as to what will happen in that character. And when you go walk in and you realize, oh wow, I could not even imagine that someone can do this on screen.